Hi, I'm Deb with Embroidery Library, and I want to show you how to add a tasty look to your kitchen with this ruffled dish towel project. You will need a blank towel and a delicious embroidery design, cotton fabric for the ruffle, and decorative trim. First, I'll plan where to stitch. I'm using a template, which is a printout of the design. It helps me with placement and positioning. Center the template between the two sides with 1 1/4 inches between the bottom of the design and the hem of the towel. That's enough space to add the ruffle later. Mark the center point and the horizontal and vertical axis lines. Use cutaway stabilizer on the back of the towel. Because I'm using a waffle weave towel, I'll use water-soluble stabilizer as a topping too. That keeps the stitches from sinking down into the fabric. Hoop the 3 together, lining up the marks on the towel with the marks on the hoop. Attach the hoop to the machine and move the hoop so the needle is right over the center point. Then embroider the design. I'm using a size 11 sharp sewing needle, but an embroidery needle will work just fine too. After you've finished embroidering, remove the water-soluble stabilizer from the top. Then cut the excess stabilizer away from the back. I leave about 1/2 inch around the design. Next, I'll add the ruffle. The towel I'm using is 16.5 inches wide. I'll add 3 inches to that to account for the pleats, and another inch for seam allowances. That means I'll cut the fabric to 20.5 inches wide and 4.5 inches high. Sew a straight stitch 1/2 inch from the bottom of the fabric. Use a seam ripper to fringe the edges. On the top edge, turn the fabric over 1/2 inch to the wrong side and press with an iron. Next, pleat the fabric, pin in place, and sew a 1/4 inch seam. Fold the ends of the fabric to the wrong side 1/4 inch and press. Then fold in another 1/4 inch to the wrong side and press. Sew seams. Line up the pleated fabric with the edge of the towel and place the fabric so it's extending 3/4 inch onto the towel. Pin the 2 pieces together. Sew a 1/4 inch seam along the folded edge of the ruffle. Add the decorative trim to the top edge of the ruffle and pin in place. Sew a seam along the center of the decorative trim. These towels add such a cute look to a kitchen, and they're nice for family and friends. And if you're stitching for Christmas, they make excellent stocking stuffers. Thank you for watching today, and visit our website at www.emblibrary.com.